Mix Reflexion avec Josh au Supercross de Paris. So Josh, welcome to France. Last minute vacation, I guess.
Yeah, kind of. Justin got the call like Tuesday night, real late, and to come out here. He's never been out of the country really to race, so I just wanted to come with him and just see what I could do to help him out.
How do you feel when you come with him on a Supercross like this? Do you feel like you want to ride, or do you still feel like you can ride with these guys?
Well, I was planning on racing this and just had a little bit of an injury, getting ready for Monster Energy Cup, and but this was on my list of things to do this off season, so I was looking forward to it. But second best thing, I'm here with my little brother. So
yeah, what do you do for him on a weekend like this?
Nothing. I just talk too much, and then he just goes out and rides.
You travel a lot, but what is the best country for you to party, to ride, everything?
I mean, France is always really fun. I mean, I like Sweden's really fun. Everywhere you go, to get out of your normal schedule and go race in a different country with new fans, it's always enjoyable. In France, I don't think they really do it better anywhere else than here. It's great, and here in Geneva, we're just top notch. So that's always fun to come.
All right, thank you, Josh, and enjoy your trip.